Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C. First, identify your skin concerns to choose the right product. Vitamin C offers powerful antioxidant protection, brightens skin, and supports collagen production. It can significantly improve skin tone and texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines. Consistent use is key to seeing these benefits over time. We'll cover everything from product selection to daily application for maximum efficacy. When selecting a vitamin C product, prioritize L-ascorbic acid as it is the most researched and effective form for topical use. Aim for a concentration between 10% and 20% for noticeable benefits without irritation. For sensitive skin, start with a lower percentage, like 5%. Always check the packaging. Dark, airtight bottles protect the delicate vitamin C from light and air, which can cause it to degrade quickly. For best results, apply your vitamin C serum to clean, dry skin every morning. After cleansing and toning, dispense 3 to 5 drops into your palm and gently press it onto your face and neck. Allow it to absorb fully for a minute or two. Always follow with a good moisturizer and, crucially, a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin and maximize vitamin C's benefits. To maximize your vitamin C's effectiveness, store it properly in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Consistency is vital. Expect to see noticeable improvements in your skin's brightness and texture after 4 to 8 weeks of daily use. Remember, good skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep up the great work on your skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.